there. I'm pretty sure you can't see me, so I have to get some better lighting. Because probably this is not enough. My little Christmas tree. Either my Christmas bowl. Better. I think we need some more. 2 sec. There we go. So I have no mascara. Give me a sec. Well, sorry. No. I'm so smart. Well, since we started that grade, I can also start with apologizing how awfully fucked up it's looking around here. Like, I should clean. Give me 2 sec and I will clean. Oh, there we go. Well, yeah. Well, obviously I didn't clean, I just threw everything down there. Yeah. So, it's soon What the fuck? So, it's soon Christmas. And cameras. So, today, in the calendar today, I got some body butter. Yeah. Hell yeah. It doesn't smell good, but I used it. And it's very good. So, yeah. Soon Christmas. And one of my biggest wishes. And one of my biggest wish for Christmas must probably be a new camera. Because my fucking camera I even don't know what it is. I think it's some kind of battery, but I have no clue. And my computer seriously eats them all. It's like it's like Cookie Monster eating a cookie. They magically disappear. Like on one video, I maybe do 30 minutes taped, and it used like 12 billion batteries. That's very upsetting. And also, it's shitty quality. Shut up, computer! Okay. Well. So. My wish list. My list. We're going to do it that easy. My Christmas list for this year is that long. I don't know if Santa can brought everything on that list, and that's even not everything. But like on the top, it's like my best wishes ever: PlayStation, Xbox, and Wii U. Because yeah, I don't have it. I have like the normal Wii, but it's boring. Because yeah. So I hope I get Xbox, PlayStation, and Wii U. And also everything else. So yeah. And now I don't know what to say because I don't write any fucking scripts. I don't plan my videos. I'm just making them. Yeah. I really have nothing to say. I hope you're excited for Christmas. I am. Go to sleep. And also, well, for me, here, Twitter, and Instagram. probably thinking, what the fuck? And did you hear that? Good. Well, lucky for you that it didn't hear that. If you're watching this, have a YouTube channel or YouTube or something, or well, I'm going to try to make something cool for my next video. So if you what do you like to watch on YouTube, please tell me on Twitter or in the comments below, and I will see what I can do. There's probably no one that's going to say something, so but please, I feel starting to know them because I'm talking to a camera and there's actually no one watching. Oh, yeah. See you next time.